about to smell stinky.
Why?
Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
No, I'm talking about her chips.
Corn nuts.
Oh. Whew.
What?
They stink.
Only corn nuts. I want corn nuts.
You don't like corn nuts?
She loved corn nuts in her mouth. Corn nuts in Tasha's mouth. You like corn nuts in your mouth? Huh? You like corn nuts in your mouth?
I'm gonna throw a fucking corn nut at your fucking face.
You eat like an old peasant.
Just food, not fun.
You eat like an old peasant.
What the hell was that, Lloyd? So she eats like an old peasant? I don't even know how to take that.
What? Yeah, I got a fucked up boyfriend.
Who's your boyfriend? What's his name? I like to meet him.